It was wonderful meeting the doctor, and he's warned me I need to take care of myself, and he's given me some treatment to take, and I hope I can do that and then report back to him.
So you think that he was able to diagnose
Yes,
properly?
yes, he did catch a lot of things which he could not go in detail because mine is a little complicated thing, but whatever he said was right.
Okay. ਹਾਂਜੀ
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 ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਹੋ ਆਂ that
You are from the same family.
old case also.
So he was able to identify?
Yeah.
He was able to identify. So you were satisfied?
I'm happy and they given me some medicine.
अच्छा,
So
okay.
that I
ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਤੇ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ
ਹਾਂਜੀ Brigadier ਸਾਹਿਬ what do you
Haji Neeraj, first of all, thank you for organizing this lovely camp for the villagers here and also accommodating the family and friends whom I brought along. All of them, some of them have come from US, some from Canada. And I think Dr. Jatinder has done a tremendous job. He has sort of seen and examined about 25 odd people in the village. And as I was with him, he was able to identify their problems, and that is very good from the numbers. And this old tradition of ours is extremely wonderful, and it worked well. And I saw a lot of interest evinced in the villages. And so therefore I think, and the best part is that he has a medical background of the allopathy himself. He understands the nuances, and also he's done a lot of research, and I'm so happy that in this short period he is able to get his products which are now properly accredited by the Ayushman ministry, and therefore adds a lot of credibility to his practice and his research, and for that I must congratulate him. For such a short time he's done that. So I wish him all the success, and I think what we need to do is now that we have our kutumb or our friends in the city, I think we should educate them also, and let us in the coming week, ये Valentine तो मना रहे हैं सारे, I think as a Valentine gift, I would recommend to you that at least among your Rotary friends, let's have a little sitting of this, and let's educate them on this life management. I think that is, and I think a good initiative on the Valentine.
let us take it forward.
Yes, and thank you very much once
Right, ji,
again.
thank you Dr. Jatinder ji, thank you, it was pleasure having you over. Thank you, thanks. Hanji, what do you think about the treatment what he is given?
Yeah, I think Dr. Jatinder, what he did yesterday in the village and the way he guided them over the symptoms and the treatment, I think it is one of its own kind, and I wish him all the very best to undertake this work, and whatever help I can give, I'll always stand by him.
चलो, thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my pleasure.
हाँ जी मैम, आप क्या कहते हैं?
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛੋ, ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ।
अच्छा, हाँ जी.
What should I say?
So he probably diagnosed and identified something, or he could
मेरा
not.
बात का है, पित्त का है,
नहीं,
बात came to see Dr. Jatinder in the village yesterday. He diagnosed everybody and also suggested me so many different ways of eating and all my bad habits. I'm gonna follow that. Thank
Follow
you
the
so
bad
much.
habits or the good habits?
No, whatever he told me not to do and what to do.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah. So वात पित्त कफ का इन्होंने बताया कैसे काम करता है, बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया।
चलो,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
हाँ जी, आप क्या कहेंगे?
ਡਾਕਟਰ ਜਤਿੰਦਰ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਮਿਲੇ ਸੀ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪਿੱਤ ਵਧੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿਡਨੀ ਸਟੋਨਸ ਬਣਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਵੀ
तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया था डॉक्टर साहब ने
हाँ
कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, हो
ਹਾਂਜੀ
सकती है?
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜੀ,
नाड़ी से ही बता दिया इन्होंने?
ਨਾੜੀ ਪਰੀਖਣ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਨਾੜੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਇਨਟੇਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ,
ये भी बता दिया?
ਇਹ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ।
दैट इज अमेजिंग।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਦੱਸੀ ਹੈ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਤੇ
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਲੈਵਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ
ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਲੈਵਲ ਮੇਰੀ ਲੋ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਇਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਰ 2-3 ਘੰਟੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਰਹੋ, ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਭੁੰਨੇ ਹੋਏ ਛੋਲੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜਾਂ ਗੁੜ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਰਹੋ। ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਤਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਮੇਰੀ ਲੋ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਠੀਕ ਰਹੇਗੀ।
ਅੱਛਾ, ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ।
ਅਟੈਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਗਾ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਇनको जो है।
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਚਲੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।